This dance is called South Sea Shuffle. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. Into a half shuffle turn, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping quarter close, quarter turning to the right. So you're going to make quarter turn to the right, you step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, further quarter turn right, you step that right forward. Your half shuffle turn. Then rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right. You're going to do another half shuffle going back to the left. So again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, quarter close, quarter, quarter turn left, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, further quarter turn left, stepping that left forward. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock into those half shuffle turns, off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Add on a couple of V steps. So you're actually going to draw the V on the floor. So your right is going diagonally forward to the right. The left goes diagonally forward to the left. The right goes back to where it came from, and then step the left beside the right. And repeat. Step the right diagonally out, the left diagonally out, right back to where it started, left beside the right. So 2 V steps. Just do those once more, off on the right. 7, 8, out, out, in, close, out, out, in, close. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock, off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, out, out, in, close, out, out, in, close. Into some vines. So we're going to vine to the right, so you step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch that left beside the right. Vine back to the left with a quarter turn. So you step the left to the side, cross that right behind the left, make a quarter turn left as you step that left foot forward, making sure you turn your whole body, don't twist it, and then touch that right beside the left. Those vines once more, off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock, half shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, out, out, in, close, out, out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch. You're going to chassé to the right. So this is one of those quick chassés, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Then rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Repeat that going to the left. So chassé to the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps again, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side. Then rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then, chasséing off on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, out, out, in, close, out, out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. So that is your dance. Now the only and counts that are in there are in your half shuffles and your chassés. Other than that, it's single count timing throughout. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and I am going to speed it up as we go around the walls because the music is just that little bit faster. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Out, out, in, close, out, out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Out, out, in, close, out, out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Out, out, in, close, out, out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle. Out, out, in, close. Out, out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle. Out, out, in, close. Out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, out, in, close, out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, turn, touch. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, out, in, close, out, in, close. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, turn, touch, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Rock and shuffles, big step, lines, chassé, rock and shuffle, big step, lines, chassé, rock and shuffle, big, lines, chassé, rock and shuffle, big step, lines, chassé. hope you managed that one.